So why women with PCOS crave sugar? You can only crave something which you deprive yourself of. So if you're depriving yourself of sugars, then it's very much natural that you will start craving sugars. And on the top, you can only crave something which your body needs. The cells of your body, your mind, everyone loves sugar. Let's take some example to make you understand. So you have water. We all need water in order to keep us hydrated. And we don't know why we love water. Well, that water doesn't have any taste. So if I take water away from your life for 1 day, 2 days, I don't think you can go more than 2 days. And if I only give you solid food, if I don't give you any water, no water substance, no drinks, nothing, you will be like, hell with that. I don't need any solid food. Only thing I need is water. I'm thirsty. I'm dying for water. So it's exactly like this. The cells of your body needs sugar as their fuel. And that is why you crave sugar. Why do you think when you start having sugar, you suddenly feel so good within yourself? Why do you think that you crave sugar when you're stressed? And just forget about that. So when we are celebrating a beautiful moment, a birthday, New Year's, or anything, what's something we need in that celebration? Cakes. Cakes become a big part of these celebrations. And if, for example, if we remove the sugary part from the cakes, we make these cakes salty. Do you think anybody in the room will like this cake? Nobody will like it. Only because it is sweet, it becomes a medium for everyone to come together and celebrate this moment. This is the importance of sugar in your life. So let's put this fact clearly in your head today, that the cells of your body needs sugar. The only source of energy that they consume, it is in the form of glucose, sugar. And now we see in most cases, sugar is floating around in the blood. Sugar is not able to enter the cells and you're blaming sugar. Just because I had a lot of sugar, I'm having sugar spike. Well, it's a complete lie that has been told to you. It is not happening due to sugar. It is happening due to fat. You're having a lot of fat in your diet. And that is the reason you're facing this issue. And now you're blaming this innocent sugar, which just wants to enter into the cells of your body. And they cannot enter now. Because the fat that you have been having in the name of so-called healthy diet, which is olive oils, avocados, nuts and seeds, which you call healthy fats. Well, you can call it healthy fat or unhealthy fat. A fat is a fat. Fat creates an extra layer on top of the cells. So the sugar which is floating in the blood cannot enter directly. Now only when this fat breaks down can the sugar enter the cells and consumed as energy. So the whole point of the story is to tell you that you don't need to cut down the sugars from your diet. You need to cut down the fat content from your diet. Start consuming simple sugars and see how your body thrives.